All right, so this is part one of I don't know how many parts. This is the daily Bugle build, and I thought I'd go through the description and show you my organized bags now. If you didn't watch the intro, go watch the intro. I'll try and put the link here or somewhere, or in the description maybe. I don't know. But anyway, this is Daily Bugle set 76178. 18 plus, it's huge, 3,789 pieces. The year this came out was 2021. The iconic Daily Bugle office block provides the backdrop for classic comic book action featuring an all-star cast of Marvel's most celebrated heroes and villains, bursting with details of spectacular scenes involving 25 classic characters, 25 from the Marvel Universe. This 3,789 piece building, measuring over 32 inches or 82 centimeters high, is the ultimate build and display project for any Marvel enthusiast. Okay, so that's the description. Okay, so I'm gonna now go and start the build. Now, problem being, because this is brought out in 2021, there is no 3D instructions. So either I use the manual or I use the PDF. I'm going to try using the PDF, but I might have to resort to the manual, which is a bit of a pain, but hey, it is what it is. I have the PDF ready, downloaded. So that's now on screen. Now we've got the bags we need for the first block is bag one, and bag two, and bag two, and bag three, and bag three. So this is for the ground level, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put the side bags to the side, going on the floor. Oh, and of course we've got this, which has got like spidey webs and connecting pieces and whatever else. Okay, so I thought what I'd do with part one is I will show you building bag one, okay? And I'm not sure how long that's going to take, so I thought if I show you building bag one, you'll at least see some of the minifigs. Of the other thing that crossed my mind is maybe I just show you building the minifigs, which is normally in the beginning of bags, and just doing the speed build and the rest. Don't know, going to do it as I go along. I'm going to build it, and I'm going to be talking. It might look a little bit strange if I decide to use the speed build instead. I don't know what to do. It's hard to know. I would like to stream on this Saturday. That will be, what would date be this Saturday? Where are we? That will be the 28th, which is the day before I go to America to UE Fest. So I'm going to try to stream on Saturday, see how much I've got built, and hopefully finish it on Saturday before I go away to America. So you'll see the ending. Anyway. So many different ideas, just going to go with it and wing it. Okay, so I'm going to start the build in a second, and I'll just stop the video and get myself ready. Right then, so here we go. Put that to one side. Open up onesies. This will be the biggest set I've ever done, so big undertaking. Loving it. I love the challenge. Okay, we got the obligatory rat. Is New York really that bad with rats? Okay, we got a barrel. Okay, cool. We got some boxes. Nice. Right. Okay. Hi. So I'm going to build bag one, and then the rest is going to be speed build. I think that's what I'm going to do. Each time I build a minifigure, I will show it as a bit of a video, and then when it comes to building the building, I will just do it as a speed build, because it will get repetitive, I have no doubt, and you don't want to be watching all that. Anyway, so let's go with the first one. Is this Aunt May? I don't know who it is, but it looks like Aunt May. Okay, let's put a little smiley face on her rather than a scared face. So I'll show you the face. That's the scary one. That's the unscared face, and that is the normal face. Okay, legs. Okie dokie. And then hair. Hopefully hair. Hello. What? There we go. Nice little grey-haired bun on her head. Right, so there she is in all her glory. I'm sure this is Aunt May. I need to reference the box maybe, or even the manual, because the manual lists every single one of them. Let's have a look. I actually like this, it's really cool. Trying to get there. Okay, no. False alarm. There we go. Is it Aunt May? Let's see. Peter Parker's loving and unsuspecting Auntie Aunt May. Yes, I was correct. Nice to know I remember my Spidey. Okay, let's put them over there. So this is Aunt May. Awesome. And then she has this with, of course, how many? 2. Okay, 2 studs first. 1 and 2, and then the cookie. She's bringing cookies to the Daily Bugle. Okay, don't remember ever doing that, but there you go. There she is. She's done. And she's weighted wrong. Awesome. There we go. So there's Aunt May. She's done. That's cool. Next. And that goes there. And we're done. I think that is bag 1. So that's awesome. Obviously this is the entrance. We have here some boxes, a rat, so that's all the rubbish. And then over here we got some open, half open boxes, a barrel, don't know what that's going to have in it. And then we got the electric feed, I suppose, and then this must be a cover, drain cover. So yeah, and then obviously down the front we've got the what do you call it? Yeah, hydrant, which is cool. Water hydrant. Awesomeness. Cool. Nice, and that is bag one. So I think the video is going to be too long, so I will leave it at bag one and see you in the next one. I'll do this as a little mini series maybe, just as and when I do the videos. So see you in the next one. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Do you think I should carry on doing it this way, or should I just build the minifigure part of the bag and then speed build the rest? Might make more sense, don't know. But that is only bag one of all the bags to do. Obviously it was 3 bags one, but it is bag one. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.